seems like a relationship yakaTerelo and Pumela it's worse than Yakavuyo Kase. Guys, the people are very shocked what is going on because Uterelo once came out here on social media telling us ukuthi yena. She even told Vuyo Kase on season 2 is gonna same ukuthi yena no Pumela they share everything. Whenever Pumela wanna talk about something, she will call Uterelo. Ama decision she will call Uterelo. And people are saying what's no wonder why Uterelo benganandaba the possession yaka number one because she knew ukuthi yena no Pumela they have a strong relationship. And people were surprised when Terrell revealed ukuthi yena whenever she wanna find something ngoMpumela she has to go through his cell phone yakaMpumela. She find out ukuthi uMpumela uyalobola through ama-chat ku cell phone yakaMpumela. And people were saying hayi bo wena you once told ukuthi everything is under control. uMpumela tells you everything. I still remember when uMpumela was going to pay ama-damage yaka noMpumela the first girlfriend. uMpumela calls uTerrell explaining everything and people were really angry saying what he could have called Vuyo Kase as the first girlfriend. And people were saying what's aibo Terrell kanti what's going on with your relationship? No wonder why Uterrell shares now removes the pictures akaMpumelelo. Guys, Uterrell akako uyadepacha. So there's a video. Uterrell went live on her Instagram account to only her friend to expose her. So here is a video, guys. I'm gonna come back with the rest of my comment.
First ever arguments we've had. Actually, you said last year September you guys went through. Yeah, that's no, but we never broke up last year September. It's just yeah, but we were still, like last year September we had like a smaller fight. Oh my God, ziyaxabana yebo, akufebele yebo. How? I'm going to sleep my yebo. Mina angithithela, not that I've ever found out. I'm not justified.